welcome to another how to use the Fairfax connector schedule. Weekends, weekdays, weekends and weekdays. How to use the 171 Fairfax connector schedule. So this is, you can follow them on Facebook, Twitter, and their phone number. They have their bus tracker, and the official date that they made the schedule. So yeah, this is the Richmond Highway route. It goes to Huntington, Richmond Highway, Bacon Center, Grosvenor, Highville Valley, Woodlawn, Fort Belvoir, the DLA, and the Lord Viari station, like 371. So yeah, let's go and start with the tour. And the first tour, how to use this, we have to check the weekday schedule, which is the number one. Let's take a look at the left side real quick. With my zoom lens, we have the Lord Viari, DLA, Sacramento, which right towards the 2nd Avenue, right towards First Dollar Store on the Route 1. Lawson is right towards the first Walmart. Bacon Hill Road is like all the way towards, almost towards, I believe it's towards Target or Walmart. Second Walmart, something like that. I have to look it up. And Huntington, and same thing. There's times again. Let me pause the camera. If this thing can focus. Hold on, we'll let it a second. Here it is. Let me use the zoom lens. It's probably not going to focus. You can pause and check the time, or you can get it. So yeah, let's check out the weekends. Alright, Saturday. Here's the Saturday schedule. What looks like. If you want to pause and see it, pause it, or you could see it in the information I'm giving you. And then here is the Sunday schedule. Alright, here's the Sunday schedule. Here we go. So let's see, it's gonna take a little bit of time to focus. Here we go. Alright, there we go. There we go. And now let's see the map where it goes. Alright, here's the schedule where 171. It starts VRE, Lorden, where I am, and Huntington Metro Station, which Huntington is shut down right now for the project improvements on the blue and yellow line. So yeah, here's the schedule where it goes. You can take whatever stops you want, and yeah. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video for today of how to use the Route 171 bus. So yeah, hope y'all enjoy this, and that will be it. Bye for now.